Guys, well, I'm here to tell you about the selection tool. Yes,
Yes,
exactly. One of the most
okay.
important tool in Illustrator is selection tool. Without this tool, it's quite impossible to do any types of work. Wow. First, I have to take few files, and don't worry about that. How I am taking, I'll tell you after a few seconds in my another class. No problem. No. I will take that. I will create few. You know how to create that by pressing the Alt key in the keyboard. Okay, that's fine. If you want, you can change the color also so that you can understand better. Well, and one more thing you have to maintain in Illustrator is that don't click here and there. Then you will create problems. Suppose without taking the selection tool, if we click anywhere, then it will create few problems. Like suppose I have taken this rectangle tool, and if we click here, then what will happen? A new window will come. If I click on the OK, then I'll get a new rectangle. But if I want to move this like that, like that, like that, it doesn't move. So what happens? Actually, we need the selection tool to grab that and move it. Well, the short of the selection tool is V. You know already, like Photoshop.
Yes,
In
sir.
Photoshop, the name of the tool was Move Tool, and Illustrator, its name is Selection Tool.
Chill.
Yes. So I have to press V in the keyboard and don't select the tools from here. It's look unsmart. So be smart. Press V in the keyboard. And I want to select that. Just I have to left click there. I want to select that, left click, select that, left click. Well, if you want to move that, just grab that by pressing and holding the left key of the mouse and grab it here in the corner and take it here, take anywhere. But if you take another tool and click here, then it will create problem. So if you want to move anything from here and there, then you have to take the selection tool. And one of the most important thing is that already you have find out the difference between Photoshop and Illustrator is this. We worked inside the workspace in Photoshop, but in Illustrator, we are outside of the artboard. There is no problem, and there is a huge space here. If I press Control minus, you will see there is a huge space. If I want, if I wish, I can work here. I can work here. I can work here. I can work here. There is no bounding. I'm going back by pressing Control Z, and I'm pressing Control 0 to fit to the screen. Wow. And there is no mandatory rules that you have to work inside the artboard. If you don't work on the artboard, no problem. Artboard will not mind. Like Photoshop. Photoshop is a sensitive
Yes, sir.
software. Well, we can move it with the selection tool just. But suppose if I want to select that, and that one. So what I'll do? I'll select this one first. Hold and press the shift key, select this one, and hold and press the shift key, select this one. It is not selected. Yes, I can see that it is not selected, though it was in the middle of the selection. If I want to lose the selection from here, that means I don't want to take him with us. I'll just press and hold the shift key and left click here. And I have got two. Wow. But if I want to bring all of them together, just press Ctrl A. Yes, I have selected all, but I don't this one.
Yes, sir.
This is this one is Kaziul. I don't want to take him with us. Just I'll press and hold the shift key. I'll take it. I'll just left click there, and only Kaziul will stay there, and all of you will go together like this. Suppose this is Ashikur. I don't want to take him with us. Just press and shift key. Select that. Yes, you have deselected that. So with the selection tool, you can select anything and deselect anything. any object from the artboard. Hope you have understood that. And I'm
Yes,
pressing
sir.
Control A
Yes, sir.
and deleting that. Guys, are you clear
Thank
about
you,
my
sir.
concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very clear.
Excellent, sir. Yes,